All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Bangladesh has raised concerns over the quality of Chinese military hardware, highlighting issues with equipment like corvettes, fighter jets. Experts argue that Beijing lacks the necessary expertise to produce highly sophisticated military hardware. Bangladesh, a long-time purchaser of Chinese military equipment, has lodged complaints with Beijing regarding the supply of defective components and technical issues with its imported military hardware. Bangladesh is not alone in facing problems with Chinese military hardware. Other countries, such as Myanmar, have also faced issues with Chinese fighter jets, according to an ET report. Experts on the Chinese defense industry argue that Beijing lacks the necessary expertise to produce highly sophisticated military hardware and is not yet considered a top-class manufacturer of modern defense equipment. They allege that most of the weapons sold by China are based on outdated technology that it had copied from the West. Developing countries frequently purchase Chinese weapons due to their lower cost compared to similar systems from the West. China sells arms through state-run export organizations like the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC, Norinco, and CVIC. Sources familiar with the matter told ET, the Bangladesh military has recently accused Chinese companies of providing faulty spare parts for its corvettes, patrol crafts, and onshore patrol vehicles. These vessels were found to have manufacturing defects and technical problems. In a separate incident, the Bangladesh Air Force reported technical issues with Chinese-made F-7 fighter jets and short-range air defense systems. The Air Force also encountered problems with firing ammunition for its Chinese-made K-8W aircraft shortly after delivery. Sources indicated that Chinese-supplied airborne interception radars and radars on Bangladesh's fighter aircraft have failed to meet accuracy standards. The Bangladesh Army had purchased main battle tanks, MBT-2000, from China's North Industries Corporation, Norinco. However, Norinco is reportedly facing difficulties in supplying parts to Bangladesh for the repair and maintenance of these tanks. The Bangladesh Navy has also faced challenges with two Chinese-made frigates, BNS Umar Farooq and BNS Abu Ubaidah, experiencing multiple defects soon after arriving at Mongala port in Bangladesh. The Chinese companies demanded additional payments to repair these boats. A decade ago, China sold two refurbished Ming-class submarines to Bangladesh for just over $100 million each, but Dhaka later discovered that the submarines were obsolete. In September of last year, the Bangladesh Navy informed China Vanguard Industry Co. Limited, CVIC, of issues with the C-704 system installed on warship BNS Nirmal, but the company only agreed to upgrade the system at an additional cost. Bangladesh had also purchased 45 multi-launch rocket system MLRS units from China but is now planning to replace 36 of them with Turkish-made MLRS. According to a 2023 RAND Corporation report, the difficulties in acquiring replacement parts and lack of technological compatibility with the Chinese military equipment have turned into an expensive proposition for Bangladesh. Bangladesh had to once withhold payment as the Chinese FM-90 surface-to-air missile systems supplied to it had developed multiple snags. The report states that there is a lack of transparency and accountability in Chinese defense contracts, and increasingly a lot of countries have little or no faith in Chinese companies because of poor after-sales support and equipment that rapidly declines into non-functional machinery. Developing countries like Bangladesh are forced to turn to the Chinese, who offer much more advantageous prices than Westerners. For this reason, the Bangladesh Army acquired light weapons, artillery and armored vehicles produced, mostly copied, by Norinco. Not just to Bangladesh, China has supplied defective equipment and weapons to many countries. Complicated training procedures and poor contract evaluation results in ballooning costs for maintenance and spare parts. The Chinese military equipment exports are facing issues like poor quality and lack of maintenance services. Chinese arms are often cheaper than comparable products from other exporters, but after-sales service support is costly. However, price and politics put together often makes China a more appealing source for military equipment for most developing countries. Here too the Chinese military equipment appears to be losing the edge. The Bangladesh Navy has reportedly highlighted to China Vanguard Industry Co. Limited the increasing cost of defense items even as prices of defense items purchased from European and US defense companies were reducing. Since Bangladesh procured over 70% of its arms from China in 2014 to 2018, the latter is apprehensive about the Bangladesh Defense Forces' dissatisfaction with the quality of supplies and its defense pricing.